Okay, the problem of my sewing machine is actually the needle clamp, whatever. So where you put the needle inside, the clamp that holding the needle is, that's why it's a clamp. Anyway, holding the needle, it got the screw, and then one day it broke off. So a piece of quarter of that screw left inside of that needle clamp. So I that was really a big huge problem. So I thought it's so easy to fix. I mean, I cannot fix. I thought in the shop they can fix, but they could not fix it. And then they did is they tried to hammer it to take it off, and they even tell to my husband to throw it away because no chance at all. So my husband came home, bring back the sewing machine, and what I did is you will see on the video. So I was really heartbroken because that sewing machine is really expensive. It's not cheap. Yeah, so I was really heartbroken and I cannot give up. So I tried to do a lot of things on the sewing machine to try to remove that needle clamp, to replace it. So I did manage it. You will see in the video. Okay. So I'm holding the new needle clamp. So the old one is still attached in the sewing machine. I have to remove it, whatever it takes. The screw broke off inside of needle clamp there attached in the sewing machine. See how much broke and left inside? So this is all I used to remove that needle clamp. I used the hammer to remove the needle, but very carefully. But of course, didn't work. So second, I used this small saw for metal. So I was patiently using this saw. Patient. So I removed the handle of the saw and I used a pot holder to hold it. And I did it. I managed, but it's not good enough. So I decided to cut the other side also. You will see in the video.
"2,000 years later."
I have to cut it one more time. And finally, I succeeded cutting it. Yes! Yes! It's done, but I need to go back to the shop and ask them to repair. This time is the noise, probably the cause of by hammering so hard by them. But anyway, they are very helpful. So the next day I went to the shop and asked them to fix the sound. And they're very friendly and they just asked me to pay only for the ice cream. They were so amazed how I managed to remove that needle clamp. Yeah, I can make your mask soon. By the way, don't forget to like if you like the video, and subscribe. Press the subscribe, the red button there, press it, and if you want to get notified, press the bell button. And what else? Oh, if you have any suggestion what I can make or challenge me whatsoever, you can just comment down below and tell me, and what do you think about my video. Okay, I'm open with any critics or so. Love you guys. Thank you so much.